So first, in order to make your show dance a little bit more presentable, more beautiful, of course, it's a lot of technique, but what easy we can do, very easy, it's we can organize your arms, your arm style. So what we need from your arms. So number one is your fingers. We want them to be a little bit tight. Yeah, and stretch like that. So you connect your middle fingers together and thumbs together. Now create that circle as big as possible and try to stretch your fingers, spacing in between. Yeah, so this, and get this energy on those fingers more, right? Spread them out. There is a distance here, more energy, more, like touch my fingers, see? Energy. And I hear these guys try to stretch, make more, not less, more, not less. Very good. Yeah. And now you see you created quite a lot of space between your fingers and here, and you have like a small circle inside. Very good. Remember that feeling. Now put your arms here like this, point your foot, and now create also spacing the circle in your arms here. Circle, more, more circle. So this is the circle. See, this is a small circle, small circle. Like here somewhere, the biggest circle you can, and keep that tension in your fingers as much as you can. Right. Now, just for exercise, lift this structure here, horizontal, right. Yeah, have your elbows here. You see this beautiful structure. Now from here, lift to here. Now from here, lift here. Very good. And try to maintain that circular shape. So you have a volume. So it's not too small, but it's not too also narrow this way. And now from here, using your rib cage, go open them as much as you can. Open, 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 open till arms get to your sides. Then turn your wrist down. Now here, use like a bird. Use your elbow, then wrist, the fingers, reconnect them here. So this is a basic idea of your hands, how they should be. Now we have a few different arm styles. So number one for your choreography, it's you will use this kind of fingers, put it on your waist and squeeze yourself, having those fingers very tight and very strong. And same time, take your chest up. So it's immediately will create a beautiful silhouette and make it, yeah, stronger, look stronger and more beautiful. Very good. And now this elbow, try to get more forward than backward with having your chest very high. Very good. The next arm style you're going to do, you will open your arm to the side. So get it here, neutral position with the strong fingers. Now send your elbow side, and then wrist side. Then here, turn it, this, and you will have this moment where you have this a little bit played. And then here again, circle, side, turn it this way, turn it this way, and then lead through here like you're gonna hug me through this. Yes, here this way. Very good. Another arm style you will do a little bit more complicated. You will swing it up, and then you'll take it all the way behind your head, right, taking it down. Then you'll do a beautiful circle, down, down, then again up, as high as you can, up, over your head, touch, 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 down, up, over your head, touch, 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 down. Very good. So arm style will be very important for you. So let's go through our choreography and I'll just give you a few ideas. So as you start, engage these fingers, these arms for your right arm and that elbow. So go through your choreography, go quick and quick, slow. Keep walking around. Yes, so do your choreography, just keep walking around me, okay? Don't follow my step. I have different step than you. Go quick and quick, slow. Walk around me. Quick and quick and slow. Stop. All you're focusing now is for your arm style to be there, here organized. Quick, quick, slow, very good. Quick, quick, and slow. Okay, here your arm like you're hugging. Then we do this back, 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 back. You stand up. Now you're going back basic. Quick, quick, slow. So here again, you will use this arm. Very important. Elbow forward. Yeah, turn to me sideways a little bit. Very good. This is connection arm. Keep your arm here as you turn. Quick and quick, slow. Very good. Now hug me. Now from here, this arm is going to be very important, the way you develop it. Quick. Yes, you want to get it here. Quick, quick, and you're going to hug me slow. So try that. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. Focusing on the arm style only. Quick. So point your foot. Get on the back leg. Yes. Finish the arm here. Right. Get into this position. As you move forward, turn it around. turn it around, go across, step across, right, get here. Now from here, step back, your choreography, we're doing your choreography, tummy in, try to collect your tummy, and go walk, walk here. So here, for the next one, for your stretch away, try to have the strong fingers and take arm down, reach, 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 reach behind your head. So focusing on your fingers and arms only to improve. Yeah, and here I will recommend you to go slightly more down, get a little bit more volume out of it, and still working your fingers. Yes, stretch them, use the maximum out of it. Boom, 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 up, high, 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 over your head. Put your head down, boom, here, high five. Now, when you hear, arm style will not work if the posture is dropped. So the chest is always tummy in, chest up, knee straight, here. So this should be a position for you. This way, yeah, chest high, yes. Point this foot, beautiful. And go side, boom. Then go walk, walk around me, walk. So here we want to have this beautiful frame as a circle between us. Very good. From here, put this arm here so it's easier for you to turn. Walk forward. Now turn, turn, turn. Boom. Side lunge. Right. Turn out this feet. Don't lean forward. Actually, lean slightly back. Right. And here, do that big circle, biggest circle of your life. Boom and boom. Put your arms on my waist. Very good. So this is an arm style to improve